Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Alif and my student ID is 1810931029. And now I want to explain about display and control. The first one is control design. Controls should be designed to be operable in low stress postures and without static loading of body parts, particularly the fingers. Control dimension should be determined using appropriate hand and foot anthropometry and acknowledge if the biomechanical advantage needed to enable the user to actuate the control easily. The next one is display design. Display provides operator information on the status of an apparatus. When designing a display, it is critical that all the information needs of the user be fully understood. Failure to do so may result in providing incomplete information. Display can be visual and auditory. In the next one, I want to analyze a Blender design. From the Blender design, we can see that in the button section, there are only two choices, and they are the on and off button. But the problem with the Blender design is on the display, because there is nothing that explaining which button works to turn the Blender on or off. With a design like this, will be risky for the operator because when it connected to the power source, the blender could have been turned on. The next one is design recommendation for the blender. My recommendation for a better design is at the bottom of the on and off power button, made a small sign that indicates which button works to turn off and turn on the blender, so that with the on and off sign, people who use it will not be confused and do not worry when he connect the blender to a power source. And the second one, I want to analyze a design of speaker. In the design of the speaker, there are already a good display, which is there is a scale that shows the volume of the speakers. But the design problem of the speaker is in the control section, because there are no pointers on the tree control of the speaker. It can be difficult for the operator to adjust the amount of sound issued by the speaker. The design can also be risky because it is possible that when the operator connects it to the electricity, the speaker is at its maximum volume. And the last is my recommendation for the speaker design is to add a little bit line that serves as a pointer that will make it easier for users and avoid unwanted events. The example of the control recommended can be seen in the picture above. And that's it. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.